Welcome to the Memorizing Pharmacology podcast. I'm Tony Guerra, the pharmacist and author of the Memorizing Pharmacology book series, bringing you mnemonics, cases, and advice for succeeding in pharmacology. Sign up for the email list at memorizingpharm.com to get your free suffixes cheat sheet or find our mobile-friendly, self-paced online pharmacology review course at residency.teachable.com/p/mobile. Let's get started with the show.
Hey, welcome to Memorizing Pharmacology podcast. I am getting ready to start teaching online pharmacology this Monday. So I think there are 8 or 9 spots left in one of the classes. If you want to sign up, you just go to memorizingpharm.com and you can find the link if you need a proper online pharmacology class. It's a 10-week course, completely asynchronous. But what I wanted to talk about today is I have kind of a favorite series that people like and was kind of hidden. I didn't mean it to be, but I just realized that it had been password protected. So I released it and I've made it a little bit easier to get to. So you go to memorizingpharm.com and I've got this new kind of logo that I love, Relax, Recall, and Succeed. Because that's the first thing we have to do is just be relaxed with our preparation. We'll remember what we wrote down and memorized, and then of course we'll succeed on the exam or the licensing exam. So to make it easy, I just did memorizingpharm.com and then /drawingpharm1. So it's /drawing, PHARM1. And that's going to be the gastrointestinal pharmacology. You can download this JPEG. It's going to go along with this video, which I'll republish them and kind of have a little bit of a commentary on it, what's new and all of those things. But what I just wanted from you guys right now is just a little bit of feedback on these. And all you have to do to get to the next one is go Drawing Pharm 1, then change it to a 2, you get to musculoskeletal. Change it to a 3, you get to respiratory. Change it to a 4, you get to immune. I need to work on neuro, the whiteboard, and cardio in terms of doing the whiteboard. And then you do have the endocrine whiteboard and the chemotherapy whiteboard here. So I just wanted to kind of get your guys' immediate thoughts, but wanted to have you guys have a chance to kind of see what's it like to just take everything that you need for a certain topic or a test and put it on a whiteboard where you're all kind of working together. I was just back at the University of Florida where I went to undergrad, and it was really neat to see how students work together. They're working on whiteboards, and I even recognized some of the formulas like Riemann sums with calculus classes and things like that. But I think that maybe just finding yourself in an empty classroom with a whiteboard can do great things. And the fact of the matter is that to get a whiteboard, I think it cost me like $30 or $40, and I was able to get a very large whiteboard that I could write on as well. So again, just let me know what you think about these. It's at memorizingpharm.com /drawingpharm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And just let me know, what is it that you guys are struggling with, and what are the things that you would like me to whiteboard out to make it so that it's a lot easier. But you'll find a ton of mnemonics and a ton of videos there. But drawing pharmacology has been, one of the most requested ones that I've done. So anyway, look forward to hearing what you guys have to say.
Thanks for listening to the Memorizing Pharmacology podcast. You can find episodes, cheat sheets, and more at memorizingpharm.com. Again, you can sign up for the email list at memorizingpharm.com to get your free suffixes cheat sheet or find our mobile-friendly, self-paced online pharmacology review course at residency.teachable.com /p/mobile. Thanks again for listening.